Lesson: Sentiment Analysis in Cyber Defense. Sentiment analysis in cyber defense stands as a pivotal application of natural language processing within the broader context of AI's theoretical foundations for enhanced cybersecurity. By leveraging advanced algorithms, sentiment analysis deciphers emotional tone from textual data, offering valuable insights into potential threats and vulnerabilities in cyberspace. This lesson explores how sentiment analysis can be harnessed to bolster cyber defenses, providing a robust framework for understanding and mitigating cyber threats. Sentiment analysis, often referred to as opinion mining, utilizes machine learning and NLP to classify and interpret emotions expressed in textual data. Techniques such as tokenization, lemmatization, and syntactic parsing facilitate the extraction and classification of sentiments as positive, negative, or neutral. In cybersecurity, sentiment analysis is instrumental in monitoring and analyzing user-generated content across various platforms, including social media, forums, and blogs. This analysis identifies potential threats, disgruntled employees, or malicious actors planning cyber attacks. A notable application of sentiment analysis in cyber defense is the detection of insider threats. Insider threats pose significant risks, often resulting in data breaches, financial loss, and reputational damage. By monitoring internal communications, sentiment analysis can identify negative sentiments that may indicate dissatisfaction or malicious intent among employees. For example, a study by Agarwal et al. Demonstrated that sentiment analysis could effectively detect insider threats by analyzing emails and chat logs, revealing patterns of negative sentiment correlated with malicious activities. This proactive approach allows organizations to address potential threats before they materialize, enhancing overall security posture. Moreover, sentiment analysis proves invaluable in threat intelligence. Cybercriminals often communicate their intentions and share information about vulnerabilities on dark web forums and social media platforms. By analyzing these communications, sentiment analysis can identify emerging threats and provide early warnings. For instance, a research paper by Chavoshi et al. Highlighted the use of sentiment analysis to monitor dark web forums, uncovering discussions about new malware and attack strategies. This real-time intelligence enables cybersecurity teams to anticipate and mitigate threats, reducing the likelihood of successful attacks. In addition to threat detection, sentiment analysis aids in assessing the effectiveness of cybersecurity measures. By analyzing feedback from users and stakeholders, organizations can gauge the sentiment towards their security policies and practices. Positive sentiments may indicate user satisfaction and compliance, while negative sentiments could signal dissatisfaction or potential vulnerabilities. A study conducted by Liu and Zhang demonstrated that sentiment analysis of user feedback helped organizations identify weaknesses in their security systems, leading to targeted improvements and enhanced protection. Furthermore, sentiment analysis enhances phishing detection. Phishing attacks, which deceive users into divulging sensitive information, remain a prevalent threat. Sentiment analysis can analyze the emotional tone of emails and messages, identifying suspicious or malicious content. Research by Verma and Hossain showed that sentiment analysis could effectively distinguish between legitimate and phishing emails by analyzing linguistic cues and emotional content. This capability allows for the automated detection and filtering of phishing attempts, safeguarding users from potential harm. The integration of sentiment analysis in social media monitoring also plays a crucial role in cyber defense. Cyber adversaries often exploit social media platforms to disseminate misinformation, launch attacks, or recruit individuals for malicious activities. By analyzing sentiments expressed in social media posts, organizations can identify and respond to potential threats. For example, a study by Kim et al. Demonstrated how sentiment analysis of social media data could detect coordinated cyber campaigns and disinformation efforts, enabling timely countermeasures and preserving the integrity of online spaces. Sentiment analysis also contributes to incident response and post-incident analysis. Following a cyber incident, understanding the sentiments of affected parties can provide valuable insights into the impact and effectiveness of the response. By analyzing sentiments expressed in public statements, press releases, and social media, organizations can gauge public perception and tailor their communication strategies accordingly. A case study by Sarkar et al. Illustrated how sentiment analysis of social media reactions to a data breach helped an organization refine its incident response plan and improve public relations efforts. In conclusion, sentiment analysis is a critical tool in the arsenal of cybersecurity professionals, offering a multifaceted approach to threat detection, intelligence gathering, and incident response. By leveraging advanced NLP techniques, sentiment analysis deciphers the emotional tone of textual data, providing actionable insights that enhance cyber defenses. From detecting insider threats to monitoring social media, sentiment analysis enables organizations to stay ahead of cyber adversaries and safeguard their digital assets. As cyber threats continue to evolve, the integration of sentiment analysis in cybersecurity strategies will remain indispensable, ensuring robust protection in an increasingly interconnected world.